It's Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm on Chicago Avenue in Evanston, looking at Dollop Coffee and Hoosier Mama Pie. Heading around for a look at the Firehouse Grill. Looking north along Chicago Avenue to the main Metro stop and CTA stop for the Purple Line. Looking also at a great strip of bars, restaurants, and one-of-a-kind shops. Brothers K Coffee House is around the corner. The Lucky Platter, ton of other restaurants. Just a great spot. And I am headed 1/2 block east of here for a walk through one of the apartments at the Presidential. Just walked into apartment 217, a studio with plank flooring that extends throughout the unit. Looking out toward the west, toward the treetops. Turning around for a view of the efficient L-shaped kitchen. Space here to lay out a variety of furniture. Kitchen has an attractive stainless steel appliance package that includes a dishwasher, a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave, espresso stained cabinetry, granite countertop, and undermount sink. Really have a good amount of cabinet and counter space here for a studio apartment. Heading back toward the entry, where you would have entered, there's a closet off to your left with shelving. Triple closet as you head toward the bath. The bath has attractive tile, floating vanity, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, and attractive gray tile in the tub surround. It's a very functional studio. Attractive kitchen and bath, nicely updated. Sunny and bright. The Presidential has a street-level outdoor terrace and a landscaped rooftop sundeck with a variety of seating, grilling stations, and a shaded area with views of the lake and the Chicago skyline. The building has a lobby-level fitness room with free weights and cardio equipment. There's a bike storage area and an easy-to-navigate on-site garage. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.